You're gonna get your Jell-O and dump it into a little bowl, just like this. Just spread some whipped cream on it. Then you place the other Pop-Tart over it, so you just made yourself a sandwich. It is quite sticky and gooey, guys. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Now, as you guys can see right here, I have a bunch of snacks. Well, in this video, just like the title says, I'm gonna be showing you guys 10 life hacks. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys how I personally eat these snacks. I don't eat them just as they are. I actually put a little twist to them, and I'm gonna show you how, guys. So if you guys are big fans of food, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, we failed last time. Our goal was 1,000 likes in order for me to start working on another how to sneak food into class video for those of you that are going back to school. So let's go for it again, guys. 1,000 likes, and I'm gonna begin working on that video as soon as we get those 1,000 likes. But for now, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe with the bell notifications turned on. Let's get started, guys. Big thumbs up. Check it out. It's no secret that Hot Cheetos Extra are my favorite types of chips. You guys have seen a lot of my videos where I state that they are perfect as they are. They are so spicy and so good. But sometimes I want something different. And basically what I do, guys, and I know a lot of you guys do this already, because this hack has been going on for years and years, as long as Cheetos existed. So I take my Hot Cheetos Extra, I dump them on a bowl, or I will keep them in a bag. But for this example, I'm just gonna dump them on a plate for you guys. I get myself some lemon juice. And you guys remember this hack? I put a spray bottle nozzle on top of the lemon bottle, and look, I can just spray it on. But I like them soggy at times. I like them crunchy as well, but sometimes we gotta try something different. And these with lemon are perfect, guys. I hope you guys already tried these. You haven't lived until you tried Hot Cheetos with lemon juice, and even better, Hot Cheetos Extra with lemon juice. I highly recommend this Hot Cheetos life hack. Now, the way I normally eat my Rice Krispies treats is I basically just buy a plain original Rice Krispies treat. So basically when you open up the packaging, you get a plain Rice Krispies treat like this one. Well, I like to add stuff to it. So this is what I usually do, guys. I'll get some marshmallow cream like this one right here. I believe that they are made with this anyway. So I spread some on top just to make it stickier. And I always have some M&Ms handy, and I got some M&Ms minis right here, which I'm gonna sprinkle on top. And they should stick on quite well. And that's it, guys. Look, I combined Rice Krispies treats with M&Ms. Now I know that they already sell them like that, but I usually don't like the type of M&Ms that they use. I like the little ones. So this is perfect. So if you guys love sweets, you're gonna love this Rice Krispies treats with M&Ms. It's really, really good. What I have right here, guys, is some yogurt, and right here I have some Jell-O. This is the perfect combo for a cold snack. If it's a hot summer day and you guys want something refreshing, you can combine both of them, and it's really, really good. It's so yummy, guys. You are gonna love it. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get your Jell-O and dump it into a little bowl, just like this. I live in a hot state, guys, which is Arizona, and it's really hot here. So this is perfect for that type of temperature that we have. Just get it all in there. And then on top, we are gonna add some yogurt. And this is strawberry flavored right here. Look how good that looks. And then you just swirl it, mix it up. And once you get a bite out of this, guys, you are gonna fall in love. This stuff is delicious. Like I said, it's the perfect snack for summer. Try it out. Here I got me some Oreos. This is basically how I eat my Oreos. I normally just take them out, and if I have some peanut butter handy, what I do, guys, is I split the Oreos in half. Usually if I try to pull them apart, they will break. So what I do is I just take a knife and cut right through them in half, and it splits them up. It doesn't matter if it's got cream on both sides or not. It still works. So just split them in half, guys. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some peanut butter and spread them in between. Now I know that they already have Oreos with peanut butter, but they don't have Oreos with peanut butter and the cream. So this is really good if you try them out together. And look how stuffed it is. It's really thick and it's delicious, guys. I highly recommend you guys try this. Yes, it's packed with sugar, but hey, sometimes we need that sugar to wake us up. Try it out, guys. What I have right here, guys, is a chocolate chip cookie. I actually have 2 of them. And a good way to eat them, guys, is to make a little sandwich. Sometimes I like adding ice cream to it, but for this example, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna add some whipped cream. It's just as good. Just spread some whipped cream on it. Just like that. You don't have to put a lot. And then you place the other cookie over it. And look. Looks good, right? Yeah, more sugar. But it's really, really good. What I have right here, guys, is a glazed donut. These are really good as they are, but they are quite plain. And it's no secret that my favorite type of donuts are jelly donuts. But jelly donuts usually cost double what the glazed donuts cost. So why spend more? Usually what I do, guys, is I take a knife and I cut it in half. So basically, this is gonna be a bagel for us in a way. Look at that, I've just divided the donut in 2. Then I'm gonna go over and grab my jelly. I have a jar of jelly right here and it's strawberry, which is my favorite. So I'm gonna open it and then spread some on one side of the donut. Yeah, I'm a bad influence when it comes to sweets, guys. Try to be less messier than me, guys. But once you have your jelly on the donut, you just place the other piece on top and you have yourself a jelly donut, which is half the price. If you already have the jelly at home, you don't have to spend much, guys. Just go get a plain glazed donut and spread your jelly on it and you save some money. And sometimes the jelly that you have is better than the plain old jelly that the donut makers have. So it's actually better and cheaper. Yeah, we all love Pop-Tarts, right? These are really good, and usually we eat them for breakfast or as a snack, which is what I usually eat them as. But right now, I'm gonna show you a really good hack to make Pop-Tarts twice as yummy. So you're gonna open up your Pop-Tarts. They usually come in pairs, so that is perfect because we're basically gonna be making a sandwich with them. So let's take them out. And I did get the raspberry ones. You guys can see right here, they're raspberry. So we're gonna set them aside. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna get some marshmallows and we're gonna put them in the microwave. I'm only gonna use 2, so they're going in the microwave. I'm gonna heat them up for a few seconds. Once they start expanding, that's when they're good to go. And they should look fattening like this. We're gonna flip a Pop-Tart upside down and then we're gonna take the marshmallows and place them on top. Like so. They are sticky though. Then you place the other Pop-Tart over it, so you just made yourself a sandwich. It is quite sticky and gooey, guys, so eat it quickly. Yum! Look at that. It's so, so good. I'm gonna enjoy it. And that's basically how you hack a Pop-Tart. Just add some marshmallows in between and create yourself a Pop-Tart marshmallow sandwich. So I poured myself a bowl of cereal. The way I eat my cereal normally, guys, is I pour myself some cereal in a bowl, of course, just like I have it right here. And then I get myself a banana, cut it in half because I don't need the whole thing. And then I'm gonna peel it and simply start chopping it up into smaller pieces. And then I just throw it on top of my cereal, pour some milk on it, and it's good to go. It's good breakfast. You have your banana and then you have cereal. What a better combo, right? So that's how I eat my cereal. I'm sure you guys do the same thing. If not, you probably add some strawberries to it, maybe some mango, I don't know. But eating plain old cereal gets old, so why not mix it up with some fruit? As much as I love Takis, I normally don't eat them as they are. I usually put a twist to it. And so whenever I go to the store and get me some Takis, I also pick up a little cup of cheese dip because cheese and Takis are a great mix, guys. I've shown you in a previous hack how I put the cheese into the Takis. I use a syringe and it always works. But if you guys don't have a syringe, then you guys can just eat the Takis with some cheese like I'm about to do right now, guys. You open up your dip you open up your bag of Takis. And that's it. You dip it in, you get yourself some cheese, and look, yes, Takis and cheese, great combo. If you haven't tried it, go ahead, try it out. If you already tried it, you already know how good it is. What I have right here is a plain bowl of vanilla ice cream. I put a few scoops in it, guys, because I'm going to show you how I eat my ice cream. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know this. So usually when I get my ice cream, I also get myself a pack of bacon. I like having it already cooked because I don't like getting into the kitchen and doing anything. So once it's already cooked, I take out the strips, get a knife, and start chopping it up. And I will get me some bacon bits. Now you might think it's crazy to add bacon to ice cream, but if you haven't tasted it yet, guys, you are missing out because bacon and ice cream go great together. So I normally just sprinkle it on. I don't need to put anything else on my ice cream but bacon, guys. And I usually heat up the bacon before I throw it in there. Look, if you haven't tasted it, please try it, guys. Ask your mom to get you a strip of bacon, cut it up, and put it in your ice cream because you will fall in love with it. It is a great combo, and you would have never thought that bacon and ice cream went well together. But here it is. I'm not gonna eat this because it's already too fattening. I might throw it away, sadly. Unless my dog wants it. I don't know. He loves bacon, but ice cream is just too much. But yeah, guys, those are my personal food life hacks that I like to enjoy, and I do them often. So if you guys are familiar with any of these, or you learned something new, I hope you liked this video and gave it a thumbs up. Again, 1,000 likes will get us another how to sneak food into class video, which is perfect for back to school. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you already subscribed and turned on the bell notifications. I'll be seeing you pranksters in my next video. Alright pranksters, if you guys want to see more life hacks like the ones I just showed you, click up here. Now, if you guys are interested in pranks, click up here. Go ahead guys, click on either one of them. I'm waiting.